How to add a countdown widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your iPhone. Once you are in the App Store, navigate to the Search tab. In the search bar, type in the countdown widget to find a list of suitable applications. Browse through the search results and select the Countdown app to install. Tap to download and then open it. Inside the app, to create a new countdown, tap on the New Countdown option. Give your event a title, pick an icon or emoji, and set the future date and time you want to count down to. You can also customize details such as colors and reminders. Once you've customized everything, tap Save at the top right corner to add the event. Next, go back to your home screen. Press and hold a blank area until your app starts to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. Here, select the customized countdown widget you just created. Now, tap on Add Widget. Place it where you'd like on your home screen, then tap Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily add a countdown widget on an iPhone.